Hello friends, welcome back. In today's class, I'll be showing you how to actually include Bootstrap in your code. So by downloading it, as I said, there are two ways to include Bootstrap in your website. First one is using CDN. I already have shown you in my previous video how to use the links in the HTML document. Now I'll show you how to download and use Bootstrap in your website. So I have opened the getbootstrap.com website. So in here, I am clicking on, so this is the home page that will be open, and straight away below you will be seeing get started and download. Click on download. Okay, so after clicking on download, so you will be getting options over here, and I am going to download the current version of Bootstrap, and the current version of Bootstrap is Bootstrap 5. So you can see a button here, right? So click on this particular button, which is download. As I click on this, Bootstrap will be downloaded, and it is downloaded here. So let me go to the downloads. This is the zip file. Okay, so you can see here that compressed zip folder. So I'll extract the files from this particular zip folder. Okay, so I'll extract it on the desktop. So I'm clicking desktop as the destination, and then I am clicking on to download. Okay, so now it will extract onto the desktop. So it is extracting onto the desktop. Okay, so this is my desktop. You can see that the file that I have extracted came over here. So this is the Bootstrap file folder. So now let me open this and show you what and all are there inside this. Okay, so now as I go inside this folder, you can see that there is a CSS folder and JS folder. So there is a CSS and JS folder. So inside the CSS, you can see that the first file itself is bootstrap.css, and the type is cascading style sheet. I can keep this and remove the rest of the things, but this is what is the file that I need to include in my website, in my HTML document. And in the JavaScript folder, so you can see that there is a file here which is bootstrap, and the name of type of the file is JavaScript file. So I require these two files, and I need to include them into my HTML document. So let me go back, and I need to copy the path. Okay, so just copy the path where it is, click on properties, and you will be able to see the path. And then you can then the name of the folder, which is bootstrap hyphen 5.1.3 hyphen dist and all that. So inside that you're having this CSS. Inside CSS you're having bootstrap.css. So this is the entire path that you need to include in the link tag in your HTML head tag. So let me go to the notepad. So this is the notepad, and in my previous video, I already told you that these are all mandatory for including Bootstrap 5 into your website. Okay, so I need to include all this. Now inside my head tag, okay, so inside the head tag, so let me close the head tag here. So inside the head tag, I need to take the link tag. So inside the link tag, I'll be having one attribute, which is the relation attribute, which is called as REL. So inside the relation attribute, I'm saying that it is the style sheet. Style sheet, I am saying like what it is. So it is style sheet. And then I'll be having inside link tag, I'm having one more attribute, which is href, and which is very important attribute. So herein I need to give the path. Okay, so from where I have to get this particular bootstrap.css. So it is in C drive, colon and a slash, and the folder is users, and then next folder is Allure, and then the next folder is, it's in the desktop, it's on the desktop. So I'm saying desktop, and then just type the path. Okay, so what is the name of the folder that I have shown you, which is bootstrap hyphen 5.1.3, and then a hyphen, and which is dist, and then put a slash. So inside this there is a folder which is CSS, and then inside CSS there is a file which is called as bootstrap.css. Okay, so I just have included this in the href. So by doing this, I have included the CSS file, And the next thing that I need to do is I need to include the JavaScript inside the script tag. Okay, so I'm taking the script tag. Inside the script tag, I'll be having an attribute which is src, and inside the src, I'm again typing the same path, but with like different folders, right? So till here the path is same, and what is the path after it, which is the JS folder, and inside the JS folder, what is the name of the file, which is bootstrap.js. Okay, so these two are the files that I need to include to make Bootstrap 5 in the website. So I need to close the script tag. I'm just closing the script tag over here. That's it. Okay, right. So now inside my container, I'll check whether Bootstrap 5 have been included or not. So I'll be taking some button tag, and button type is equal to so which is button, and then the class is equal to, so I'm taking btn, and I want btn hyphen success button, and the name of the button will be like bootstrap 5. Okay, so I'm just giving bootstrap 5 button. Okay, so I'm closing the button tag, and the name of the button is bootstrap 5 button. Okay, so let us see whether bootstrap 5 have been included or not. So let me go back to my desktop once again and take this bootstrap 5 example. Okay, and then launch it on the browser. So you can see that bootstrap 5 button have been included. So this is the bootstrap 5 button, right? Say for example, I'm taking off this link and all that. So I am commenting this thing, these two things, or else I'll just take it off. Okay, so I'm taking off this link and script. Okay, so I just took it off and I'm saving it, and I'm going to the browser. Refresh this, you can see that this is the normal button. Okay, it's not the bootstrap button. So to get the bootstrap button, so you just need to include these two things, link and the script, in your head tag of your HTML document. So now when I save this and refresh this, you can see that the bootstrap 5 button have been included. So there are two ways in which you will be including bootstrap 5 in your website. One is like by using the links. This is a quick start. So wherein we'll be using these links to actually, we need to copy these links. We don't need to download. We just need to copy these two links and paste it in the head folder. So this is the one way. And the second way is to download the bootstrap onto your system. So which is faster? CDN is much faster because it will be loading from the nearest server, and compared to downloading bootstrap onto your system. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.